What's up, guys? Happy Memorial Day. I'm out here doing some fishing. I just saw a beautiful little doe come up to the water's edge here, take a little sip of water. Now it's eating some leaves. It's right behind the bushes over there. Probably see in a second and she pops out. But it's just beautiful. It's nice and quiet, peaceful. Just out here, like I said, fishing, enjoying myself, enjoying the quiet time. And because it's Memorial Day, thinking about the soldiers. That's what it's all about. All the people that made it happen and gave me the freedom to sit here and fish and do what I want. A lot of people died for that freedom. So, when you guys are having your parties and barbecues and enjoying yourself, just something to think about. Let's see if I can get a little better shot here. There you go, there's a better shot of her. Of course, she's staring right at me now. Wondering what I'm doing. You know what she's thinking? I hope this isn't going on YouTube. Just beautiful. Alright, she's making her way back through the woods. Anyway, just wanted to say Happy Memorial Day to everyone out there who celebrates it. Just couldn't have been a nicer day for people, you know, for their parties and traveling and stuff. I mean, it's just full sun, absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this, blue skies, not a cloud anywhere. Nice calm water, just a light breeze to keep you nice and cool. Just beautiful. So that's it. Happy Memorial Day. See you guys tomorrow with a new video. Take care.